all truth to the Most High, and not that counterfeit Yahweh who try and pose as the Most High. Coming to you with another exposure. I had another dream. I was cleaning a hardware store floor. Hmm. Yes, I did get fired in that dream. I'm going to show you what it was all about. The making turning point of Micah. I saw this name, Jacob Wallenberg. This Jacob Wallenberg, the number say is a Nephilim, but we know he is. This is one of the kings of the earth, a part of the royal family, so we know his DNA has been compromised. This Jacob Wallenberg is CEO, chairman, a mayor of Shanghai's International Business Leaders Advisory Council, Royal Swedish Academy of Engineering Science, the European Roundtable of Industries, Atlas Copco, SAS and Store, the Coca-Cola Company, President and CEO at SEB and EVP and CFO at Investor AB, and there are plenty more. Wow. Advised with companies that use technology of the fallen. A riot at U.S. Telecom Mayday. A give up internet March 10th. About to get themselves killed. You know, this vies with Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, transhumanism, the movie Timeless, the movie Walking Dead, the vaccine, Coca-Cola, fast food restaurants, Nephilims, pastors, no more children, sterilization. You see, this first set of code is about Nephilims placed strategically in Yahweh's beast system to deceive and carry out his plan. The making or Micah turning point is about crashing the internet and bringing it back to control the masses. It will be done through the vaccine, which is pushed through Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, and the Nephilims. The masses who have taken the vaccine will become transhuman. Some will have to depend on continual vaccine. This is what the movie Timeless is about, to stay alive. You know, in the movie Timeless, this guy was given a pill to where his IQ was off the charts, smart at closing deals, but he had to depend on it to stay alive. Same thing is coming down the stretch with the shot. The Walking Dead, you know, they're trying for their separation. But I'm going to expound on it here in a second. Later in this exposure, you will be entering the digital world, just as the code Tron in the last plasma video. You see, the fast food restaurants, soft drinks such as Coca-Cola are laced with nanotechnology that is getting you prepared to be changed over. Sterilization through childbirth, controlling and depopulating the earth of the true man, true ones. You will begin to see companies battling with each other, some closing their doors, which are all scripted, business closing their doors, blaming it on people not wanting to work or being vaccinated. It's all scripted. Setting up their new world order, a world ran by machinery, robots. The purge has started. And you know, up here, There was this movie called What Happened to Monday, but the code was 7 of 7. It was also called Seven Sisters. People are being purged with it. What's going on here? We know there were like 7 twins. I don't know what you call it. But one of them will go out on Monday, one on Tuesday, so forth, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They all had that name. They had to sneak out because kids were being destroyed. They were being murdered, to be exact. Only one sibling or one kid to a household. Sterilization has started. It's probably been started. WebBot and Zimcon. WebBot is an internet bot computer program who developer claim is able to predict future events by tracking keywords entered on the internet. This vibe with The Simpsons, the legend of Chamberlain Heights. Why did I use them? When the Simpsons, there was a wreck on the interstate where cars began to pile up behind each other, one after the other. I think there were a total of 133. 6. But anyway, it was an episode on The Simpsons where that same thing happened. All scripted. See, vibes were all scripted, not predicted. The legend of Chamberlain Heights predicted 4 years before Bryant's death in a helicopter accident. All scripted, not predicted. All scripts producing. The scripts are coming into fold in these end times. It is making the scripted scriptures seem like, wow, somebody knows what they're talking about. But it also vibe with prophecy is scripted. It is all scripted. The beast system is scripted. Pay attention, people. They're not predicting anything. They are playing their script out to the end. The White Rabbit Matrix. White Rabbit Matrix is about magic and disbelief, a digital wonderland of the web with an almost dreamlike outcome. If you dream it, we can build it. White Rabbit is a crazy, unfathomable, made up digital world that all humans live within. And true ones, the true ones. All built on code. Code, remember that, by all machines. Genesis 11:6. And Yahweh said before, behold, the people is one, and they have all one language. And this they begin to do. And now nothing will be restrained from them, which they have imagined to do. If you dream it, we can build it. It's coded language. Goddess of God's perfected law. White magic, the golden key. Let's see what vibes. Code. Keys are codes. Key bearers. Gatekeepers. Hecate. Who is Hecate? The Lady of Keys. Hecate, ancient Greek goddess of witchcraft, the life-death cycle, and of the crossroads. She opened doors, portals into the spiritual world. And then you have Berkta, who's a psychopomp. She is the guide of souls, who has 3 golden keys around her belt. Liminal deity. Berkta ancient Celtic alpine goddess, wears a set of three golden keys on her belt, a psychopomp escorting souls of children to the other side, carries keys just as Hecate to the spirit realm. Any limited deity bears keys of some kind. Some of the names are Minerva, Hermes, Papa, Legba, Legua. And then you see, I am the deity named Jesus. Matthew 16:19 vibe with it. Revelation 9:1 vibe with it. Talks about the fifth angel. The bottomless pit where souls are trapped. It's moving. Cabin in the woods. Cabin in the Woods is about souls being trapped in torment in a digital facility. Hmm. The fifth angel was given the key to the bottomless pit. He was given a code to open up the bottomless pit. I'm going to show you what the bottomless pit is. The fifth angel was given a code of the bottomless pit. You see, key and code still vibes. Same thing. You see, Jesus is one of those deities that possess the key, the code to the kingdom, according to Matthew 16:19. To unlock hollow earth. Jesus holds the key to the kingdom, which belongs to Yahweh. He will unlock hollow earth. With it, where masses of souls are trapped, where angels and Nephilims, the giants, reside, and are waiting on their appointed time to start the God-Magog war. With a true man or real one will be caught in the midst of the battle and be collateral damage. Wow. You see, it's all digital. This is 2021. Stop thinking on rocks and mountains, because Surf and Edgar Mendez has done a great job of exposing the time reset. It doesn't go back that far. The Bible is scripted. The New Testament, all the books are scripted. You have got to know how to unlock the code that are in there. Moses is the source of all evil. Source means code. Staff of Moses. Moses is a Nephilim, if you don't know that by now. Their books is about angels and Nephilim, hybrids, beasts of the field. Tesseract, Cube, Thor. It is 2021, and we are now in the digital world. The movie Thor, the Tesseract, which was also called the Cube, like in Transformers, they both were keys. In Thor, it opened or unlocked a portal to allow aliens to enter Earth. In Transformers, it unlocked the technology to where electronics became weapons. And the key of Matrix brought Optimus Prime back to life. Sounds like the technology that will give the image of the beast, the golem, the power to come to life. You see, Moses, who was a Nephilim, used a staff, something like a tesseract. Remember, the time, the age, the aeon is not that old. This wasn't that long ago this happened. He used this staff, which was capable of parting a sea, used as magic for turning the staff into a serpent. The Most High has nothing to do with magic and deception. But then you have Sophia and Yahweh, who tried to crack the code of the Most High, and you see what type of so-called life they created. That they see the true code is the instructions or commandments of the Most High that's been written in your DNA. It's on the inside of you, true ones, true man. See, the vaccine will corrupt that code. Your VMAT gene or VMAT gene will help you to stay aware of the Most High. His instructions and commandments will be compromised. You will have to depend on this shot, this vaccine, over and over. Like the movie Timeless, where this guy was given a pill, once again, he had a high IQ and a high aware of closing deals. He's almost like the smartest man on the planet. But he had to depend on it to stay alive. You're going to have to depend on that shot because you're going to have to keep taking one over and over and over. See, everything has code to it, ranging from the Bible to keys that electronically start your automobile. DNA is a genetic code, and paint has a matching color code. Just look in your car door. Appliances, electronics, etc. Everything in this beast system is about code. Wake up, true one. Wake up. Continue to keep the instructions and commandments. That's all we have to do. Start paying attention to these movies you watch. Start watching some of these horror movies also. People tell you not to watch horror movies. Why? It wants you dumb down to what's coming. Horror is coming. Turmoil, rape, which has never stopped. It's always been there, but it's about to be amplified more and more here in these end times. If you don't know the Most High, turn back to Him and begin to keep the instructions and commandments. All truth to the Most High, and not that counterfeit Yahweh who try to pose as the Most High. Be blessed, family. Oh yeah, and I did get fired, like I said, in my dream, because the world is going to machinery, robots, taking over jobs, taking over the big truck drivers, where they're trying to make the trucks drive by themselves. Store jobs and clerks are being ran by self-checkouts. You should see this now. You should see this. Trains are coming next. So pay attention. Pay attention. Instruction and commandment keepers. The true ones. Just like the movie Transformers. We're going real there in a computer age, a machine age, robots, and robocops. Cops are scared now. They're quitting. Some are finding out that being an officer is not what they thought it was. The fight is coming. Be blessed, true ones.